I was always terrified of the dentist, so naturally I put it off, and that's what led me to get the extraction. And Dr. Vance actually is the one who introduced me to the fact that there was other options besides just having a gap in my smile. And so he told me about implants, and everything went really well, and I was very glad that I did it. The care and the process, it didn't feel different than just getting a cavity filled. It was nice to be able to recover and then get it completely finished. And so the whole process actually was pretty enjoyable. The 3D x-ray was very cool, and he could see all different angles and make sure that he was doing the proper procedure and what he was going to be doing. So he would explain every step of the way what he was going to do and how it was going to be done based on the angles that he was getting at. And I think a lot of people tend to just do things and not bring on more anxiety because they don't want to talk about it. And actually talking about it, you understand. It's like talking to a friend who's gone through the same procedure. You know what to expect. You know if something doesn't feel right, and I love that about that. I actually was about to get married, and so I knew my smile was going to be extremely important because I knew I'd have a smile on my face the whole day. And I was very proud to show off my smile because I didn't have the gap, and I'm able to, even 10 years later, still able to enjoy all the food that I've always enjoyed before. And I feel like it's very protected, and I don't have to worry about it anymore.